see the interesting project, that is how to create how to draw a rose flower with the help of the package called turtle. So for this one we can write a code and execute it very easily. So once you write the execute, the turtle window will open and execute the flower like that. So for this purpose, what you can do means you can import the turtle package here. So the turtle package by default support for draw the shapes and images at any cost. And for this one we have to define the flower, because if you want to draw the flower, leaves should be green color and the rose should be follow the red color and 7 petals also. For that purpose we are writing the pen up and using the left all the directions, pen down. Here pen up for stop the drawing and pen down for start the drawing here. Then we are following the flower base. For that one we are fill the color with red and the sizes we are making the circle 10, 180 and so on. And as of if you want to generate the flower, we need this circle and shapes also. For this only we are writing and repeating everything. And then we are writing petal one. So petal one we can write with the help of the function called turtle.left of 150 and circle of -90, 70 and so on, and continue the shed heading as a 60. And petal 2 also we can write, we can give the measurements like sizes like this. Then leaf one we can write and fill with the color. So fill color for fill the color only. If you give green, it will fill with green only. Then begin fill. So begin fill start to once execute the coding, it start to fill the color, whatever the color given. And we are giving again give the sizes and end fill for fill the finish the filling work for the image that means for the rose. Then we are writing leaf 2 because 2 leaves is compulsory for any flower. So we are writing again give the value like green and so on and so on. Then we are going to complete. We are giving turtle.done means it will say complete the coding. That means the turtle library is completed and stop the process like that. At last we are giving the command called draw underscore flower. This is used to draw the flower. So once it executes the coding, it definitely executes the code like this. I am closing and showing here. So I hope that is very useful for a video for you. If you are a beginner for the Python, you can try to execute it. So with the help of turtle, you can do n number of operations today. Say start to draw automatically. Whatever the color given, we are giving the combination of red, green and all the angle. So whatever the angle given, it start to draw and at last stop after a few seconds. That means after complete the task, it start to stop the process and turtle window will be over. So this is how we can draw a rose, simple rose with the help of turtle library like that. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.